Elcoman presents COBRA 400 COMBI, a professional shredder of the classic line, dedicated to high-security paper and optical media shredding. COBRA 400 COMBI shreds up to 19 sheets at a time and up to 1,500 CDs per hour. Shreds credit cards, DVDs, floppy disks, and films. Activates automatically at material intake. Shredding can be stopped and reversed just by touching the stop button, and reverses automatically in case of jamming. Convenient and safe 130mm throat for optical media and 240mm for paper. When the shreds bag is full or door is opened, shredding automatically stops with an optical indicator. The Energy Smart energy saving system puts the shredder into a power saving standby mode. 200-liter steel cabinet. Plastic shreds are placed into an 80-liter reusable fabric bag, while paper shreds are collected into a 110-liter plastic bag. Both are placed on sliding tracks to make the empty operations easy. Cutting knives are made of carbon-hardened steel, unaffected by staples and metal clips. 24-hour continuous duty motor without duty cycle. And a chain drive system with metal gears provides strength and durability over the years. COBRA COMBI series is equipped with automatic integrated oiler. Automatically lubricates the cutting knives. Once the oil bottle is empty, an illuminated optical signal warns about the need to replace the bottle inside the cabinet. Metal detector warns when large metal objects, which can damage the machine, are accidentally inserted into the entry opening and stops the machine before they reach the cutting knives.